Hey there, I'm Diana, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my very first Lily and Bean bag. So I have been looking at these for quite some time, and this is the first one that I've ever ordered. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing to show you what it looks like down inside, and it did arrive super quickly, within about a week and a half of when I ordered it. I opted to go ahead and get my initials on here. The really cool thing with these is that you can change out the colors that are here on the stripes. You can make these initials whatever you want. You can even have it say a short word, so they're really customizable. So I just got this tote in kind of the regular size, and I love that it has the zipper and also these two style of handles. So we're going to show you what this looks like up on my shoulder, and then also a handheld. And I just opted for this khaki style for it to go with everything. I actually didn't know that this was going to be like soft, and it's interesting. It's like kind of a soft woven fabric, so that's kind of it's almost kind of like upholstery in a sense, so it seems like it's going to be durable. And then these edges are like a soft suede, so it's a little bit different than I thought, but actually better than I thought. And then this is kind of painted on. So this is what all it came with. It came with a Lily and Bean dust bag that you can store it in, and then of course all of the shipping information down there. So let me show you what all fits inside. So here's what the tote looks like sitting upright, and I just have a regular size iPad, which I'm going to show you down inside. So this actually would fit my MacBook down inside as well too, or you can see it comfortably fits an iPad either direction. But you can fit all of the essentials down in here: wallet, sunglasses case, cosmetic case, larger wallets. It's really kind of a perfect medium size. And then this zipper can come out here on the outside. It's got this little grab handle on the end, and then you can also just tuck it down inside the bag if you want just kind of a cleaner look. But the other cool thing is this strap actually can just pull inside, so this is adjustable to where you don't have to have this strap out if you just want to use the top handles. So here's what it looks like being held, and this is the medium size, so it's just the regular standard size. There is one size smaller than this, and there is also a bigger bag size and also a weekender, so it comes in a number of different sizes. But what I love about these straps, I first of all really love these kind of chain straps like this, and you could totally remove these if you wanted, but I like that they just slide right up on your shoulder. So that makes it really easy to use, and again, it's like a perfect travel size. So you can put all of my essentials in this. It'd be a good like road trip bag, or just a bag to have when I'm going sightseeing. And then this handle, I like carrying my handbags like this over my arm, and it looks super cute like that. So I think it's going to be great and neutral to go with a lot of different outfits. And then here on the side, let me show you what it looks like whenever it zips up. So I'll probably leave this zipper in down inside most of the time, but you can just grab the end and then it just zips closed. But that's what it looks like if you just leave that out. I'll probably tuck that down inside most of the time. And then on the back, it's just got this kind of woven, kind of upholstery fabric feel all across the bag. And I like that it's a bit structured here on the sides so it holds its shape. So this is what the top looks like. It completely zips. And on the bottom, it doesn't have any feet or anything, but it has a kind of structured bottom. So you could set it down flat with all of your things inside, and it should definitely stay upright. So this is going to be my new travel tote. I will report back and let you know how that goes. But I have been looking at these for a really long time, like probably literally a year, and I finally decided that I wanted to grab one this summer to wear with some of my different summer outfits. I also used a coupon code to order it, so I will link it down below in the description box if that's still working for you. You can grab that, and the link directly to this bag will be there. But the really cool thing is that you can customize this. So I put my initials on there, but you could put 3 initials, 2 initials, even a short word. Like they have some bags that say baby on them, the really big ones if you want to use it for a baby bag. Or you can put mama, or you can put, summer or fun or whatever you want there. Just one simple word, and they can actually customize it to say whatever you want. So they started with the initials, but they kind of have branched out from there. So I really kind of love it. It's just kind of very kind of classic, very understated, and I think just a kind of fun bag. We have a number of trips coming up to go to the South, and so if you've been to the Southeast a lot, you know that they love their monograms. We lived down there for 5 years, so I really enjoy like that whole kind of personalization aspect. But this is going to be a great handbag that I can use for a lot of different occasions. I think it's very all season as well too. Like I would wear this in the fall, I would wear it in the spring. You really can kind of dress it up or dress it down depending on your outfit. And then when you're done using it, it just comes with this great dust bag that you can drop it down inside. It's really nicely made and seems like it'll be very durable. It's got the drawstrings on the side, and you can store it in that, so it keeps it looking really nice. So I'm pretty happy with my purchase. Also, the price points on these are super reasonable, especially for a monogrammed item. I believe it was just over $100 for this size, and so they're really kind of very affordable if you're looking for a nice classic tote that's very well made. I'll put the link to this one down below and a couple others that I have been eyeing as well too. And I will share in an upcoming video how it works for my travels and all loaded up for my travels and all of those fun things as well too. So thanks for watching today and have a great day.